Avoid these herbal teas that can lower hemoglobin naturally. Some herbal teas may quietly affect your blood health. Hemoglobin is a vital protein in red blood cells that helps carry oxygen throughout the body. When hemoglobin levels drop, symptoms like fatigue, weakness, and pale skin may begin to appear. While many people turn to herbal teas for relaxation and healing, some of these natural brews may actually reduce your body's ability to maintain healthy hemoglobin levels. This is often due to their content of compounds like tannins, oxalates, and phytates, which can interfere with iron absorption. Here are 10 herbal teas that could lower hemoglobin naturally if consumed too often. 1. Chamomile tea, soothing and sleep-promoting, but rich in tannins that block iron absorption. Drinking it frequently, especially around meals, may reduce iron uptake. 2. Peppermint tea, refreshing and calming, but menthol compounds may slightly interfere with iron absorption in the digestive tract over time. 3. Hibiscus tea, known for its vibrant red color and tart flavor, contains oxalates and phytates, which bind to iron and make it harder for the body to absorb. 4. Dandelion root tea, often used for liver support. Its diuretic effect may lead to loss of important minerals, including iron, if consumed regularly. 5. St. John's wort tea, popular for managing mood, but it can interfere with how the body processes and stores iron, leading to lower hemoglobin over time. 6. Licorice root tea, used for digestion and sore throats, can disrupt mineral absorption and, when consumed in large amounts, may impact iron levels. 7. Green tea, herbal blends, contains catechins that strongly reduce iron absorption. Even when used in herbal mixes, green tea can affect hemoglobin if consumed often. 8. Lemon balm tea, helps reduce anxiety and promote sleep. Contains compounds that may slightly bind to iron and affect its availability to the body. 9. Nettle leaf tea, often thought to boost iron, but it also has tannins and phytic acid, which block iron absorption if taken without vitamin C. 10. Fenugreek tea, traditionally used to support digestion and lactation, contains compounds that may reduce mineral absorption, including iron. Even natural remedies like herbal teas can have hidden effects. If you have low hemoglobin or iron deficiency, limit how often you drink these teas, especially near mealtimes. Consider pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C for better absorption. And always check with a healthcare provider if you're unsure about herbal tea use and your blood health. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.